Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, Austin and I came down here the other night and pulled the diff cover and cleaned up the diff on old Papaw because, well, y'all see the welder here. Y'all can guess what's happening. We got our good buddy Joe come down to hook us up with the old poor man's Posi. So, we're gonna get this thing welded up here and hopefully get some Posi. It's the one we caught the brakes on fire, in case you missed that floor. We fuck it up every day. Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Well,
So,
Joe, you want to explain to him what we're doing?
it's a full flow differential. So there's no actual C-clip that holds the axle in. So all you got to do is take off these 8 bolts and the axle just slides right out. Then we can pull the differential out, take the ring gear off and get into the spider gears and get it all welded up in the corners so that when it rotates, one wheel isn't the only wheel spinning. Both wheels spin forward and you get a really nice burnout out of it.
Dude, Joe is a natural with the camera.
Yeah, he is. Damn. So he's going to show me all the links to detail and all that. Hold my breath right.
All right, Joe, what you got there?
Well, this is the ring gear for the floating differential, and now we got to pull off all the ring gear bolts and the center pinion, and then we can get inside and hopefully get some tack welds in there, and then lay down some real beads to lock this thing up, do some burnouts in no time.
Well, yeah, I like the way he's talking. Yeah, so let me get around the loud there. Sorry, it's freezing cold outside. I want to turn the heater off. But the reason we've got old Joe down here today is we actually don't have a welder here at the shop, and he was more than welcome. He's more than happy to help us out today. And if you guys don't know, on our bigger engine building projects, he assembles the bottom ends for us usually. We usually don't get that in depth in them. I tear them down. And Skidmark's last engine I did all of it on, but usually we just give it to Joe and let him handle it out of house, and he pretty much gives us a completely assembled motor back within no time, and we can turn them around pretty quick, and that's usually what we do. But super glad he came down to help us out today, get this thing pulled apart and welded. Oh,
Don't break it now.
yeah. Austin, you want to tell them why they call it a 14 bolt?
Oh,
Now that you've taken off all 14?
Well, see, here's one, and you go all the way around the circle, and there's 14.
I thought you were gonna count them out. I was like, oh Lord. 3, we got 5. God, I can't figure out.
Any oil in there is going to make it a whole
Hey,
lot harder.
okay, see you later. Alright, what you doing there, buddy?
Gotta clean. That's cold.
Man, gotta clean it up so that way we can get the wells.
To stick, nice and tight. Tight. So just gotta get all this crap out of here. Just old gear oil and everything. Spray it down with some brake clean, preferably non-chlorinated, so you don't blow yourself up while you do this. And make sure you move the bucket way far away from your the place where you're welding to, because it lingers a little bit.
Rip to the M18.
Right now it's cast iron, so when you're welding mild steel, you don't have to preheat, but with cast iron, you got to preheat it. Because it's such a dense metal and it's got such a high carbon content, it doesn't like melt it in together. Okay.
Forgot to show you all the freaking welds.
So, I mean, you guys saw, y'all also saw the video of him doing it in there. But we just we started putting this together and it's late and we weren't thinking, but it how long did you weld that thing, Joe? You welded on that thing for like a half hour or more?
Something like that.
God.
Kind of lose track of time with that, man.
I thought he was taking frustrations out and some deep bottled up anger or something on this thing, but
It's because I was adopted.
holy. Anyway, so there we should definitely have 2 tire fire, correct, Joe?
Yes, sir.
That's exciting.
Oh.
You got a mullet coming in there, buddy?
It may be time for a mullet. I don't know. What do y'all think? Should I grow a mullet out?
I think yes.
I'll do it for y'all.
Well, I guess we get this thing back together and set her in there.
So we got all 14 bolts in.
14? Is that why they call it a 14 bolt?
Also, this thing is about hot as the sun. So, trying to work with this thing is hot.
And then, because I didn't want to adjust the shim on that one.
Oh, true.
Does that thing still need to be running?
Oh.
So I was like, what?
Welder.
What's running?
My refrigerator.
Yeah, so you know how this thing sits in the rear already? They have a full leveling kit that puts 2.5-inch blocks in the rear.
Why would you ever do that?
Because it lifts the whole truck 3 inches but keeps the truck rake. So the rear would be higher as high as the Cateye is on 4 inches.
Good Lord.
Yeah, that's 3/4 tons for you. Alrighty, boys. Austin is running the diff cover back down. Got a new gasket on her. I guess all we gotta do is put some fluid in it, don't we? Yep. Yeah. Get some fluid in it, then we can go see if it works. Alrighty, guys. So got the diff filled up. First test. Will it do a 2-wheel burnout? Remember, it was 1 tire fire before we welded the diffs. Now we're gonna pull it outside and see if we can't do a 2-wheel burnout. Fire it up. Let's let her eat. First gear, baby. That thing is mean, son. Holy crap. Dude, we should have cut the exhaust off for the Christmas video.
How loud was that?
Oh, it was loud. Holy crap. I wanted to keep going, but I didn't want to piss off the neighbors.
It's a typical day, you know.
Oh my gosh. It tore the hide off his house. Son.
Oh, that's a dope ass picture.
Dude. Oh my god.
Oh, I see the leak.
Is it bubbling? Where you, oh, it's in there somewhere. We do have a new set of tires for it. We gotta.
We'll send these off the proper way.
Well, guys, big shout out to Joe for coming down and welding the diff. It appears that it has worked. Now, driving it on the street will be a little bit fun. It'll be doing the chirp and everything, barking when you go around turns, but it's going to be worth it to have
That was hot. Don't touch hot tires. Oh. Dude, beep! Ow!
It is going to be worth it to do 2-wheel burnouts. Good Lord. And it is loud. It still has stock exhaust manifolds and cats on it.
Headers and straight pipe, y'all are not ready for this thing.
We're definitely putting mufflers on. Well, we'll take the mufflers off for cleaning some cars, but
yeah.
Good Lord.
Yeah, that is ridiculous. That was loud. We would have kept doing it. It literally just echoes down here, though.
Yeah.
So
there you go, guys. If you weld your diff, that's the type of results you're going to get. We'll see how long it lasts. But I appreciate you guys watching. As always, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. You got something to say?
Well, there's enough weld in here to probably weld up our brand new trailer that we bought. It is not breaking anytime soon, I feel like. So
no,
but
the tires just floating away. But I appreciate you guys watching. As always, take care. Have a great day.